What are the top 2 values that you have in life? The top 2 key values that you value most in life, the top 2 things in life: family, friends, love, integrity, whatever it may be. Just contemplate on that. So I'm going to ask you to pause the video and come back once you have those top 2 values identified. Awesome. Thank you for doing that. So now I want you to contemplate, who or what will you be without those top 2 values? Who or what will you be without those top 2 values? Once you have them, so go ahead and pause the video and come back. Awesome. So once you have the top 2 values and what or who will you be without those top 2 values, I want you to contemplate on something else that is crucial. What will you feel without those top 2 values? What will you feel without those top 2 values? Once you identify that feeling, I want you to really close your eyes and identify, feel within your body if there is any charge, emotion or sensations or feelings of tiredness or feelings of dissociation or feelings of feeling out of yourself. If that's the case, if you have charged emotion sensations or feelings of dissociation, feeling weak and tired, feeling confused, that means that there is trauma there. So if there is trauma there, I want you to go back, let your body guide you back to a specific experience or situation in childhood, going back to childhood. Keep your eyes closed, going back, letting yourself go back to childhood, to one of the first experiences when you experienced this specific feeling that just came up. And notice in that moment, what is it that you needed the most when you were experiencing this low vibration emotion? What did you need the most in that moment? And write that down. If you can, open your eyes, write it down, and come back, close your eyes, and be in that moment and see yourself there, your child self there, and talk to that version of you, who you are, that child, about the things that you needed the most in that moment. You can give that child what you needed to give that child, that mother, father, or whoever didn't give the child because they didn't know or they didn't know how to. You can now do that for that child. So start talking to that child like from your heart, not from your mind. Let the feelings come up and be in that moment. Stay there for as long as you can. And once you're done, journal about the experience. It's going to be very eye-opening. If you do this, you're going to get a lot out of this exercise. And I will see you on the next video. Thank you.